How to make money from TikTok without dancing. Most people think you need millions of views and dance moves to make real money on TikTok. They're wrong. I just watched a guy earn $12,000 last month posting 5-minute videos about his boring job. No dancing, no face, no fancy equipment, just pure strategy. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how you do it. Part 1. The Creator Fund is a trap. Here's what actually pays. Let's be honest, the TikTok Creator Fund pays between $200,000 and $20,000 per million views. That's terrible. You could work a minimum wage job and make more money faster. So forget the Creator Fund exists. The real money comes from 3 places. First, brand deals. Second, affiliate marketing. Third, digital products. These are where creators are actually building 6-figure incomes. Here's how brand deals work. You build an audience in a specific niche. Then companies literally pay you to mention their product. A creator with 50,000 engaged followers in personal finance can charge between $500 and $2,000 per video. Not per million views. Per video. That's the difference. I know a guy named Marcus who posts 6-minute videos about Roth IRA mistakes. He has 80,000 followers. He gets 3 to 4 brand deals per month. That's between $2,000 and $8,000 monthly just from companies wanting to sponsor his content. He's not dancing. He's not doing trends. He's just educating people about retirement accounts. Then there's affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and earn commission when people buy. A personal finance creator recommends Fidelity, Robinhood, or Vanguard, platforms that pay $20 to $100 per sign-up. Post 10 videos recommending these platforms. Get 10 sign-ups per video. That's $100 to $1,000 per 10 videos. The second method is digital products. This could be a course on how to start a side hustle for $27. Or a checklist about tax deductions for $9. You post one video teaching something valuable. Link your digital product. And collect sales on autopilot. A creator I tracked made $470 in 1 week from a $15 course about freelancing. Part 2. The niches that actually pay. And what to post. Not every niche pays equally. You need to pick one where people are already spending money or where brands are paying premium rates. The highest paying niches are personal finance, tech, fitness, marketing, and self-improvement. These audiences have disposable income and brands want access to them. Let me show you exactly what works. Financial education content crushes it. A woman I follow posts 3-minute videos on how to negotiate salary. She has 110,000 followers. Her videos get between 500,000 and 2 million views each. Brands pay $3,000 to $5,000 per video because her audience is high-income earners. The secret is picking a micro niche and owning it completely. Instead of finance advice, it's how engineers waste money and how to fix it. Instead of fitness tips, it's office worker workouts you can do at your desk. Here's what to post first. Educational content. Teach something your audience doesn't know but desperately wants to learn. Second, story-driven content. Tell a real story about how you learned something the hard way. Third, mistake-based content. Show the most common mistakes people make in your niche and how to avoid them. A creator named Angela posts videos about 401k mistakes. That's it. She has 63,000 followers and gets 2 million views monthly. Vanguard and Fidelity pay her $3,000 per video. Part 3. The strategy that scales. Your first $100. Here's how to actually start earning within 60 days. Step 1. Pick your niche. It should be something you know and something people pay for. Personal finance, business growth, skill development, health, something commercial. Step 2. Post consistently. This means 3 videos minimum per week. That's only 15 minutes of your time if you're planning right. Step 3. Build to 5,000 followers. This takes 3 to 4 months if you're posting the right content. At 5,000 followers, you can apply for the TikTok affiliate program and start earning commission on product recommendations. Step 4. Start connecting with brands. Once you hit 10,000 followers, reach out directly to companies in your niche. Email their partnerships team. Show them your analytics. Ask about sponsorship rates. This is where $500 to $2,000 paydays happen. Step 5. Create a digital product. This could be a Notion template for $5, a checklist for $9, a mini course for $27. You need something to sell to your audience beyond brand deals. You don't need 1 million followers. A creator with 20,000 highly engaged followers in the right niche makes more than someone with 5 million followers in a random niche. # final words. Stop waiting for TikTok to make you rich through the Creator Fund. It won't. Build an audience in a high-paying niche. Connect with brands. And sell products. That's the formula. You can make your first $100 this month if you start today. So here's what you do. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. And watch our next video on how to find the fastest growing niches nobody's talking about yet. Let's go.